Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Faiz and I'm from Islamabad. Are we really proud of being Pakistani? In this electricity-run modern era, the patriotic desire has decayed. Decayed to the extent that we remain Pakistanis only by name and not by our hearts. Qaid Azam laid down three pillars for us: unity, faith, and discipline. Do we really abide by all three? If not, then at least one? Sadly, no. We are separated by wealth, status, and view of caste. We do not have the same faith or views of Islam. We cannot live in harmony and peace, quarreling amongst each other. Is this really the Pakistan Iqbal had dreamed of? Ahmed Bareilly had died for, thousands of soldiers murdered for, and countless tears of sacrifice and dedication spent for. Are we even what being called Pakistanis? The harsh reality of today is we have taken our freedom for granted, our leaders, our slaves, and ourselves, nobles living among peasants. We do not bother abide by laws, we scream at government officers, we abuse people less fortunate than us, and ironically, yet we believe we are the most oppressed people in the entire country. Patriotism just isn't the name of knowing the anthem, studying the country's history, or recite the nation's song with dedication. Patriotism is loving the soil, the air, the people, the land, and everything within the borders of what we call Pakistan. It's about embracing our own culture, being able to speak Pakistan's languages, and shunning away users' foreign cultures. Then we can be what we claim proud Pakistanis. Though the castles of our dreams are washed away time and again, now we shall build them higher than ever before. Bleed green, live green, and embrace green. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.